Today we're going to be reviewing TPS for Afghans and application overview. Who is able to apply? TPS has been announced for Afghans already living in the United States as of March 15th, 2022 or before this date. TPS is valid for a period of 18 months. Afghans arriving after March 15th, 2022 unfortunately are not eligible for TPS. However, Afghans who have received humanitarian parole will be eligible to apply for TPS as well. Can you apply for asylum and TPS? Yes, you have the right to apply for both TPS and asylum at the same time. We advise you to seek legal guidance if you do plan to do so. This is a complicated process. There are many things to consider and many decisions to weigh before applying for either TPS or asylum. So we highly encourage you to review those legal considerations before applying. If you have any concerns regarding the legal process or any questions, RIF offers a weekly asylum info session on Tuesdays over Zoom that you can attend, where we invite our consulting lawyer and you're able to ask him questions. If you would like the link to join this meeting, it is on our website at rifnyc.org. When to apply for TPS. This is very important. The deadline to apply for TPS for Afghans has not yet been announced. However, it will be announced in the near future, and in order to receive the most up-to-date information on this deadline, please check the USIS website for further instructions. We encourage people to check this website daily as it may be announced at any time, and it will affect your application. TPS is valid for a period of 18 months, as we said, after the publication of this application deadline. TPS is often extended, so this is good news. It means that even though you were initially only allotted 18 months once you receive TPS to stay in the United States, in most cases, TPS is extended indefinitely, where you can stay much longer than the 18 months. It is very important that you register as soon as possible once the deadline has been announced. There are exceptions for late filing, but it cannot be guaranteed, so applying much before the deadline and being aware of the application deadline is very important. Work and travel permits under TPS. Under TPS, a person cannot be deported back to their country. So once TPS has been declared for a certain national, you will not be deported once you're in the US. You can apply for a work permit and travel documents so that you can go to other countries and be able to work in the United States. These forms can all be filed at the same time as your TPS application. Here are the links to the online applications. You can fill them out and submit them through the website. These are the PDF links of the actual documents that you can print and file manually by mailing them in. We also encourage people to print these out and review them closely, even if you are choosing to submit online, so that way you are highly familiar with the details of the application. These links and the online submission links we will make sure to include in the description of this video. And again, if you have any further questions that have not been answered during this presentation, you can join us for our weekly asylum info session where we invite our lawyer and have our educated staff members available to answer any of your questions or concerns. This is Tuesday, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. New York City time or Eastern Standard Time. Thank you, and for any more information, resources, or to ask any questions, please visit rifnyc.org or contact us directly at info@rifnyc.org. Thank you.